Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I build a column slash pier or pillow. I'm going to show you how I form my pattern, the way I build it from start to finish. Let's dive right into the video, guys. So today I'm going to show you the simple and easy way to build a stone pier. So here, as we check, you could see we only have like 1.5 inches of ledge. So I'm just going to screw on a piece of 2x4 here, so we could rest our stone on it temporarily and move it later on. Guys, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more great contents like this one. We upload video twice a week with all different types of construction, bricklaying, concrete, block, stone, you name it, carpentry. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. measure every now and again. I pull my tape and I measure. The size of this pier is 2 feet 1 inches and a quarter. So you want to make, as you go up, you want to measure to make sure you square 100%. You see right here, right now it's 2 feet 1 inches and a quarter. Same measurement right around the pier. So right now we are at the top of our arch. We're at the top of our arch now, so we're just gonna continue to do the side section and leave here to join the arch. There you have it, guys. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We have the arch, we still have the arch coming up as well. Click the notification bell as well so you get notified and you can come back and watch it later on. Until then, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.